Okay, let's do a quick review of the continents and oceans. Okay, so where the heck is Boston? Oh, it's right about here. Oh, so this whole green thing is one continent. So this part right here that I'm circling is the United States. See right here, the little kickstand? That's Florida. So Massachusetts is probably right up here. And then these islands right here, that's Hispaniola. That's what we're learning about with Haiti and DR. So this light green whole section up here is North America. Down here is South America. This whole continent down here. So even though number 1 on your sheet is down here, this is South America, and number 2 up here is North America. Over here, this bigger continent, it looks a lot like South America, but it's much bigger. And it's like right in the center where the equator would go right through here. So this is Africa right here. This yellow one, Africa. You gonna remember that? Okay. This red one right here, this is Europe. And Spain, where Columbus came from, is right here. And this is Italy, and there's all different countries within this. So you'll hear it as, this is the continent Europe. Number 5, this orange one right here, it's so big, it's probably the biggest one, right? This is Asia, and this has Saudi Arabia, and it has India, and China, and Russia, all of that stuff. So this big one is Asia, A-S-I-A. And then the smallest continent right here, Australia, kangaroos. Yep, that's where they are, the kangaroos right here, Australia. And then the last continent right here on the bottom, penguins. Think of penguins to help you remember. It is Antarctica right here. So that is all 7 continents. Now we're going to move on to the ocean. So what ocean is Boston Harbor? What ocean is Boston Harbor water from? Atlantic. Well, here's number 10, so this must be the Atlantic. Not up here at 8, right here. This is the Atlantic all throughout here. Up here, up high, again near the North Pole, is the Arctic Ocean up here at the top. And then the other cold ocean way down here that the penguins, remember, down here, is the Southern Ocean. And then this ocean right here, that's up against Australia and Africa and comes up here near Asia and Saudi Arabia, that is the Indian Ocean. And if you think about it, India's over here, part of Asia, and this is the Indian Ocean. And then the ocean that wraps around, and it goes from Australia and Asia all the way over here, and it's along the California coast. California's here. That is the Pacific Ocean. There's one thing you also need to get, because not everyone got this right on the test. North, east, south, and west. So north is up, south is down. East is to the right, and W is to the left. You guys told me a great way of remembering this, and it's never eat soggy waffles. It's a great way to remember it, and you have to know that you go around the circle like the clock would move. So never eat soggy waffles. And you'll remember it's N-E-S-W. And then you'll get an A on this test, and that will be great. Okay, so that's the continents and the oceans.